The Cameroon camp in Yenagoa is a settlement for some Nigerians relocated in 2006 by the federal government from the once disputed Bakassi Peninsula. 14 years after, the people cry out of neglect in a camp with shacks as homes, drawing the attention of the world to the squalid conditions of the environment, even in the face of the threat of the deadly coronavirus. Ovietema George reports.
It is a rainy day at the camp of the returnees from the Bakassi Peninsula. The weeping sky comes with mixed fortunes, water to drink and water in their homes. It looks like a slum, but this has been their abode since 2006, when the federal government took them away from the disputed Bakassi Peninsula and brought them to Yenagoa, to a place now popularly called Bakassi Camp or the Cameroon Camp. I chose to visit the camp in clement weather. Guided by the chairman, we went round the settlement, occasionally stopping by to bond with the children. I became a bit inquisitive and decided to test the intelligence quotient of the children in the camp. Hello? Hi. What is the name of the virus that is killing people? Coronavirus. Where does it live? China. The women are also aware of the present global health challenge. What is the name of the virus that is killing people all over the world?
I know your English, gonorrhea virus. Gonorrhea virus, but because that sickness, not be me from we income for in place, in day for in place, in no come resource. Because God not create us, because we be God picking them.
Virus now, Abuja people that they bring up. I know this for yeah. Abuja people, China people that they bring up now. China.
The shacks are built without windows to aid ventilation. I could not find a toilet facility in the camp. No drainage, but stagnant waters where mosquitoes breed in their happy habitat.
There is dirty everywhere. You can see our children, we are suffering because there is no place that we can put ourselves. Mosquito, only mosquitoes that won't kill us. So the things that when we say we need, when we say the virus no call reach them, on a airport so that we go fit clean this our environment.
If coronavirus comes to Bayelsa, the camp will be a disaster, a great calamity. Everybody will be contacted because we don't have even toilet facilities, no life-enhancing amenities in this camp.
Concerns are expressed in a camp where there is no potable water, but just a single borehole project donated by a church to the Bakassi returnees.
Social distance cannot be maintained here just because of the way the chapels are built. So we are appealing on the federal and state government to come to the aid of the Bakassi returnees, the displaced persons here in Bayelsa State, for us to be the first point of contact, for us to receive that palliative of 20,000 naira here in the state. We are appealing to Shell, we are appealing to local content, we are appealing to other companies for them to come to our aid.
The president of the Nigerian Infectious Diseases Society highlights the health implications for slum dwellers.
Once there's challenges with waste disposal, it means they are at risk of various other infectious diseases. So if the people living in slum are exposed to the coronavirus, there's a greater chance that they will be infected. There's also a greater chance that there will be rapid spread and propagation of the infection because of the crowded environment and the inability of them to adopt preventive measures such as hand hygiene and respiratory hygiene.
From Wuhan in China to the United States of America and other countries, the coronavirus is the subject of global sorrow, death, and tears. It is difficult to observe social distancing here at the Bakassi camp, and that is because the shacks are built very close to each other, weaving a sad story of squalor made worse by insanitary conditions in the environment. But the people seem happy for as long as the coronavirus does not find its way to Bayelsa State. Ovietime George, TVC News, Yenagoa.